I did finish the garage floor last night. That turned out to be a pain in the freaking ass, to say the least, because I was about halfway through it and it started raining, dude. Now today my brother actually hit me up, and if you guys remember, I told you my brother, he had a bunch of tools and everything that he gave me because he took a new job. Him and his wife both are driving a truck from state to state, like all over the United States, dropping stuff off. Well, he had left his I forget what this thing is called, Dodge Nitro. He left his Dodge Nitro at my cousin's house, my cousin out in Tucson. Well, long story short, basically the truck couldn't stay there anymore. Anyhow, I had to drive my ass all the way out to Tucson. It was a 2-hour drive. GPS says it's 2 hours. I left here at 11 o'clock, and by the time I got this thing parked where it's at right now, it was 5 o'clock, and it's now currently going on 6 o'clock, and I have a lot to do. So there's my brother's truck. It's a really nice color, dude, and it's the RT model. But anyhow, there it is. Here's my RV gate. Hey, and here's the new project car. I know, I don't know who exactly it was, bro, but in the old house, the garage floor looked like crap. It was worse than what this floor was before we painted it. And I actually got a couple of comments from you guys like, dude, why don't you paint your garage floor, man? It looks like shit. And I had to say back, like, it's not my house. You see what I'm talking about? I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I didn't put anything into that damn house, bro, because look what happened. They just up and said, oh, we're ready for you to move. Get the fuck out. I'm glad that house is gone. This one actually belongs to me, so we're gonna try to keep it nice, dude. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what you guys think of the garage floor. I know it's just, this is basically where we're gonna be doing all of our work, man. We're gonna fuck it up. It's gonna get scratches and, you know, little stains or whatever, but at least it's a nice starting point, you know what I'm saying?
Out here on my one rain like this. What just felt your stop, stop, stop. Heavy rain drops out here.
Let me start off by apologizing for the lighting in here. It's really dark, in which I plan on fixing that today with all the lights that we have over there. I got this shelf all painted. This was the only thing. I made this a long time ago, and it was still just bare wood, and I wanted it to match with all my workbenches, so I got it all cleaned up and sprayed it black so it all matches in here. Now the laundry room is where most of the stuff has actually been done, dude, where I've done most of the work. Now a lot of things in here are just kind of temporary. Like I want to make this a lot nicer, and honestly a lot of my tools aren't going to really stay in here. I do want to eventually move my toolbox back out to the garage, and where I have all my wrenches and everything, I want to hang up out actually in the garage above my workbench, but I want to get some pegboard, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna buy some pegboard and get that hung up and make it all nice and organized out there. But for the time being, I'm trying not to spend too much money because I've already spent a lot of money just getting into this place. But as of right now, man, I mean, I've got everything organized. You know, I had a little bit of pegboard from the old garage. I got some things hung up. All my clamps, I got all the wrenches over here. Basically everything's hung up in order. I got most of my tools. A lot of this is the stuff that I got from my brother. Everything's all up here so I can just grab it, you know, whatever it is I need. My saw whenever I'm cutting wood. All my rags. My radio, which doesn't work somehow in the move. It got damaged. All my power tools right now are up there because, you know, it's just a place I can keep everything. And then, you know, this is full of all nuts and bolts and screws and shit, which I need to get something better than that thing because it's falling apart. My Harbor Freight welder and my toolbox, and I actually did hang up a couple more shelves in here. Everything up top is all like carb cleaner and like spray paint and everything. And then basically this entire shelf right here is just dedicated to like car cleaning items and whatever. This isn't permanent, you know, like I have plans to make it better. But I mean, for now, I'm very happy with it, dude. It's organized. It keeps everything kind of to where it's not cluttering up my garage. Everything can just be kind of tucked in there, and if it gets kind of a little messy in there, it doesn't really matter because you won't be able to see it. Nina, you better not pee in my garage, little girl. Where are you going? Come here. What's up? What's up? You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Not everybody has seen you. What's up, Curly? What's up? Where are you going? Yeah, this is Nina. This is a new member of the family. We just got her this year. Yeah, she's a female, obviously. Ain't really much else to say about her other than she's really clumsy. She's always tripping over her feet, man. But you see why. She has such big ass paws. But yeah, she's a new member of the family. Alright guys, well I'm gonna try to get the rest of all this stuff picked up and out of my way, and so we can start working on getting things a little brighter in here. I know, this thing's pathetic, you could say it. I need to get a bigger one. Size doesn't always matter, alright? I mean, it depends on how you use it. Everything on this shelf over here, except for that crate right there, because that has those Casey lights in it that we never use. But all these totes, all this stuff up here, my clutch, the axles, and the stuff on top, my radiator, my gauge cluster, here's the cams. This is, for the most part, everything that I have remaining that has to go on to the Civic. That's all Civic stuff, dude. So I'm gonna kind of go through all these things and just try to get everything laid out on all these shelves. That's the plan. Only thing left now are the lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull some measurements and try to get these things laid out. Figure out exactly how I want to hang them up there. Toby! See you later, Toby. Well, there's one light. I still got 2 more to do on this side. I think that's all that I'm gonna do today, is just put up the 3 on this side. Honestly, because that's all I have 2 to put over here. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna do the 3 today, and I'm gonna save this section over here for later. I probably won't even record it. One video, I'm just gonna be like, hey, I've got them all up.
Hey, what's up, buddy? What are you doing? What are you doing? What's up, buddy? Yeah, I love you. I do love you, even though you're shedding like crazy. You're just a shedding old mud, aren't ya? Okay, go play. Go play, man. Go play. I gotta do work, man. I know, no work. Pay attention to me, huh?
The accident here into this one of them near Pennsylvania. In that crash, yellow
All 3 lights are now hung up on the wall, or on the ceiling, I should say. I did end up drilling the hole and running the cords up through the ceiling. As you can see, there's no cords hanging down anymore. So now, the only thing left to do is for me to go up there, and I gotta wire them all up. Wish me luck, dude, because I have not been up there yet. I hope there's nothing up there that's gonna kill me, you know what I'm saying? Just like that, man. All 3 lights are mounted, all 3 lights are wired, and now we just need to see if I wired them correctly. Moment of truth. I taped the light switch off so nobody electrocuted me while I was up in the attic. Son of a bitch! No, I'm just kidding. Maybe it'd help if I turn them on. Damn, dude. That's what's up, dude. I mean, that makes a big ass difference. Holy shit. That's only 3. I still have 3 more. Well, I'm actually thinking about maybe putting another one here. I think I mentioned it earlier. I don't remember right now, but I'm thinking about putting another one here and then doing 2 on each side over here, on each side of the garage door opener. So then there'll be a total of 8 lights in here. And what's really cool about it, I mean, because that is a lot of light. If I need it bright, then I need it bright. You know what I'm saying? I have them all on. But if I don't necessarily need that much light, each one of these have a little pull chain on them. So I can just turn individual ones off as I need. You know what I'm saying? Just depending on, you know, maybe if I'm in here and I'm not necessarily recording, but I'm working on something, I just need a little bit of light.
Man, I can't tell you guys enough how good it feels to be back, dude. I know we haven't done any car shit yet, but it's coming, bro. It's coming, and this garage is coming together really well. Like, I'm excited, dude. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys think of the lights, man. I think this is gonna be a lot better lighting than the old garage had, because these aren't fluorescents, dude. I don't know if you can tell, but the light that comes off the LED is just so much more crisp and clean, and I can see it in my camera screen, dude. Like, it looks really good, man. I'm excited for it. Of course, this is only 3, dude. I'm still planning on doing at least another 4 on that side, and like I said, maybe another one right here in the center. And then I also want to put one back over here that, you know, just to kind of light up that area as well, because it's a little dark over there, you know what I'm saying? We gotta get rid of all the darkness. We want everything all bright and happy. On my next video, I'm busting out all this stuff in the crates, and I'm gonna go through, and we gotta make a checklist, dude. We gotta make a checklist that we can start aggressively attacking towards getting this car done. Getting the khaki hatch finally on the fucking road, bro. Like, I'm excited for it. I hope you guys are excited for it. Please smash the like button. It helps me out tremendously. Thank you guys for all the love and support you guys give me on a daily basis, dude. Even on the days I don't put up a video, I get the support from you guys. So, and I just want you to know that I really appreciate it. And I'm gonna be stepping my merch game up here pretty soon. I want to market Deadbeat Garage, Deadbeat as a brand, a lot stronger than what I've been doing recently, or in the past anyhow. I want to get t-shirts going and hats and stuff, of course, and definitely want to start making some other things, if you know what I'm saying. So let me know if you guys are excited about that, as excited about it as I am, because look, dude, I would love to have a Deadbeat Garage shirt. But peace out, guys. I'll see you on the next one. And like always, dude, don't forget,